Hello everyone, today I will demonstrate the new best cameras of vloggers and content creators according to the specifications. Number 10, Fujifilm X-M5. It is the lightest and the tiniest body in the X series by Fujifilm with a weight of only 355 grams. It features 26.1 megapixel X-Trans CMOS4 sensor in combination with X-Processor 5 engine, which is also used in XS20. It captures as much as 6.2K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 60p at 10-bit internal color and artificial intelligence, AI-based subject detection autofocus. It is 3-directional microphones, 3-inch tilting touchscreen, and 20 film simulation modes, but lacks a viewfinder and in-body image stabilization. Number 9, Nikon Z-FC. An APS-C mirrorless camera that is retro-styled and features a 20.9 megapixel DXCMOS sensor and the X-Speed 6 processor, the same image processing pipeline as the Nikon Z50. Its hybrid 209-point autofocus, including eye detection, detects people and animals. It has a 3-inch 1.04 million touchscreen that is fully articulated and a 2.36 million dot electronic viewfinder. Video is limited to 4K UHD at 30 frames per second and Full HD at a maximum 120 FPS slow motion. It also has an old-fashioned dedicated dials of shutter speed, ISO, and exposure compensation, USB power supply, and no in-body image stabilization. Number 8, Sony Alpha A6100. This APS-C mirrorless is powered by a 24.2 megapixel Exmor CMOS sensor and a BioNZ-X processor, which is supported by a 405-point hybrid autofocus system. It captures up to 11 frames per second continuous, captures UHD 4K at 30p and Full HD at up to 120 FPS, and has real-time IAF featuring animal eye tracking. It includes 1.44 million dot OLED electronic viewfinder and 3-inch 921/600 dot touchscreen that tilts 180 degrees upwards to take selfies and vlogs, and it has a built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC. Number 7, Panasonic Lumix G100. The G100 is a direct competitor to vloggers, featuring a 20.3 megapixel 4/3 sensor that captures 4K UHD video at 30p and Full HD at 120 FPS and V-Log-L to allow greater color control. It has a fully articulating 3-inch touchscreen, inbuilt electronic viewfinder, and Nokia Ozio spatial audio, which is captured using 3 internal microphones, which can move and follow speaking subjects. It has 5-axis hybrid image stabilization, but has no real in-body, and the body is only 345 grams. Number 6, Canon EOS R100. The smallest and least expensive EOS R body, based on a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and the Digic 8 processor. It has dual-pixel CMOS AF with face and eye detection, has a continuous shooting of 6.5 frames per second, and captures cropped 4K video at 24 frames per second and uncropped Full HD at 60 frames per second. It features a fixed, non-tilting 3-inch LCD, 2.36 million dot OLED viewfinder, an inbuilt Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and is a simple entry point into the RF lens mount system. Number 5, Fujifilm X-T32. This camera combines a 26.1 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor and the X-Processor 4 engine to provide a hybrid autofocus system using 425 points all around the frame and face and eye recognition. It shoots 4K video at up to 30 frames per second and offers 10-bit, 4.2.2 color output over HDMI, along with internal FLOG recording. It features a higher resolution, 1.62 million dot tilting touchscreen, a 2.36 million dot OLED electronic viewfinder, and has 18 film simulation modes of in-camera color styling. Number 4, Sony ZV-E1022. With the same 26 megapixel APS-C Exmor R sensor and BioNZ-XR processor used in the Sony a6700 and FX30, this vlogging camera is capable of shooting 4K up to 60 frames per second with most of the sensor width, a significant increase in rolling shutter performance over its predecessor. It features a 759-point hybrid autofocus, a 3-inch fully articulating touchscreen with vertical orientation capability, and a 3-capsule directional microphone. It draws on the bigger NPF Z100 battery to last approximately 610 shots on a charge and records 10-bit 4.2.2 with Slog 3. Number 3. Nikon Z30. A very small viewfinder-free APS-C vlogging camera with a 20.9 megapixel DX sensor with backside illumination and identical core imaging pipeline as the Z52. It captures 4K at a maximum rate of 30 frames per second and full HD at a maximum rate of 120 FPS, and has a fully articulating touchscreen that folds forward to frame a selfie. It features 2 large stereo microphones in the top plate, external microphone support, and no in-body image stabilization, but relies on electronic image stabilization and VR by the lens. Number 2. Fujifilm X-M5. This low-end RF mount mirrorless camera has the same core internals as the higher-end EOS R10, with a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and a Digis X processor. It records 4K video oversampled at 6K up to 30 frames per second with dual-pixel CMOS AF2, and records stills at up to 12 frames per second with the electronic first curtain shutter or 15 FPS fully electronic. Its autofocus system has a 605 zone coverage of up to 100% of the frame and is able to automatically detect and track people, animals, and vehicles. It has a $2.36 million electronic viewfinder and a fully articulating touchscreen. Number 1. Canon EOS R10. Claiming the number 1 position, this APS-C mirrorless camera has a 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and the Digix X processor, and the autofocus features of the EOS R3 tracking system are transferred to the new camera to ensure reliable focus on human beings, animals, and cars. It captures up to 15 frames per second with the mechanical shutter and 4K UHD video at 60p with a cropped part of the sensor, or oversampled 6K to 4K at 30p with additional sharpness at the expense of moire. Full HD recording reaches 120 FPS on slow motion, and the camera has unlimited video recording time, external microphone port, and a multi-purpose optional shoe that completes our list. In the comments, tell me what of these cameras you are using or considering purchasing.